Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today again we continue our chapter 5, that is decimals. Okay. So today we will learn multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals is also like the simple multiplication. Only one thing will change. There you have decimal. So you should count the decimal place and that many place you should take in the answer. Only this is change. Okay. So let me start now. Multiplication of decimals. So for example, if you have 2.1 multiplied by 6. Okay. So how you will do? First of all, you put up and down. 2.1 multiplied by 6. Now 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. Now this is your answer? No. Because in question we have decimal. Now we have find like the simple multiplication, but in question we have decimal. So we should count how many decimal place in the question. In question we have one decimal place. This is our decimal place. One decimal place. So in answer also we will take one decimal place. So after one digit we will put here decimal. So it's become 12.6. So that's your answer. So you can write here 12.6. Okay. So like this you will do multiplication. Suppose you have multiplication by 2-digit number. For example, you have 2.5 multiplied by 12. Okay. Now multiplication by 2-digit number. So how we will do? We will do 2.5 multiplied by 12. Like the simple multiplication we will do. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10. So we write here 0 and 1 goes carry. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay. Now what will we do? We should multiply by 1. So cross 1's column. Now 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2. Now in between there is no decimal. अब यहाँ पे नहीं कि हम यहाँ पे बीच में भी डेसिमल लगाएंगे. नो, आपको बीच में कहीं डेसिमल नहीं लगाना. यहाँ तक आपको ऐसे करना है जैसे कि यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी डेसिमल. जैसे क्वेश्चन में डेसिमल है ही. लाइक अ सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन you should put here decimal, but you will do multiplication like the simple multiplication. Now we should add them. Now there is 0, 5 plus 5 10, 1 goes carry, 2 plus 1 3. Now we should count the decimal place in the question. In question we have only one decimal place. Okay, in multiplier we don't have decimal. Multiplier में decimal नहीं है, सिर्फ multiplicand में है. How many decimal place? 1. So in answer we will take 1 decimal place. Okay, so your answer is 30.0. We can say 30. Okay, आपका answer 30.0 है, that we call 30. Okay, this is multiplication by 2-digit number and 1-digit number. If in these both part, you can say that in multiplier we don't have decimal. Okay, only in multiplicand we have decimal. जो multiplicand था आपका उसमें decimal था, but multiplier आपका without decimal था. But now we will take multiplier also in decimal. If your multiplicand and multiplier both are in decimal, then how we will do multiplication? In that condition, how we will do multiply? So, for example, we have 3.24 multiplied by 1.6. Okay. Now in multiplicand and in multiplier both we have decimal. So how we will do? This is also like the simple multiplication. Okay. We will take 3.24 multiplied by 1.6. In this there is no need to put decimal up and down. Okay, in multiplication. In plus and minus we put decimal up and down, but in multiplication no need to put decimal up and down. जहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ ऐसे आपको अरेंज कर देना, आपको इनको डेसिमल को ऊपर नीचे बिल्कुल आपको ऐसे कॉलम में ऐसे लाने की जरूरत नहीं कि 3.24 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1.6 आपको ऐसे लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. ओके, नो नीड टू डू लाइक दिस. आप ऐसे सिंपली राइट कर देंगे. ओके, सिर्फ प्लस और माइनस में आपको ऐसे अरेंज करना है, डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल. नाउ वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई लाइक द सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ 6 4s are 24. We write here 4 and 2 goes carry. 6 2 jar 12, 12 plus 2 14. 1 goes carry. 6 3 jar 18, 18 plus 1 19. Now there will be no decimal. यहाँ पे हमें कोई डेसिमल नहीं लगाना, सिर्फ हमें सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई की जैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है इसे. ओके, नाउ वी क्रॉस वंस कॉलम. नाउ 1 4s are 4, 1 2 jar 2, 1 3 jar 3. Now we will do addition. So now 4 and there is nothing, so there will be 4. 4 plus 4 8. 9 plus 2 11. 1 goes carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5. So 5184. But this is not your answer because in question we have decimal. If there is no decimal, so this is your answer. अगर यहाँ पे कोई डेसिमल नहीं होता है तब तो ये आपका आंसर है. But now there is decimal. So what will we do? In previous question we have only in multiplicand decimal. So that place we count. But there is in multiplicand also, in multiplier also. So we should count total decimal place. So in multiplicand we have 2 decimal place. 1, 2. And in multiplier we have 1 decimal place. Okay. So total are 1, 2, 3. So total decimal place you will count. Or you should count the decimal place of multiplicand also and multiplier also. So total are 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So we will take 3 decimal place in the answer. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So here we will put decimal. So it's become 5.184. This is your answer. So like this you will do multiplication. Now multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. जब आपके पास 10, 100, 1000 हो तो आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? So directly you can write your answer whenever you have multiplication by 10, 100, 1000. Suppose you have 3.84 multiply by 10. So multiply by 10, how you do? Number itself and after that one time 0. So number is what? 3.84. We should forget decimal. It's become 384. So we will think that number is 384. So we write here 384. Now after that one time 0. Whenever we multiply by 10, so number itself and after that one time 0. Now we should count the decimal place. There is 2 decimal place and in multiplier we don't have decimal. So in answer also we will take 2 decimal place. 1, 2. So it's become 38.40. We can say that 38.4. Okay? Because in last 0 there is no value of this 0. We can leave it. So what you get? आपने यहाँ से क्या देखा कि जो क्वेश्चन था वही आपका आंसर है सेम. ओनली जो आपका डेसिमल था वो 1 प्लेस राइट हैंड साइड में मूव हो गया. ओके, यहाँ से आपका राइट हैंड साइड में चला गया. यहाँ पे आप 3 देयर इज बिटवीन 3 and 8 and there is between 8 and 4. So 1 प्लेस राइट साइड में मूव हो गया. ओके, यहाँ से राइट साइड की तरफ 1 प्लेस चला गया. सेम आंसर आता है. So that means when you multiply by 10, so only your decimal place move 1 place in the right side. Okay. If you have multiply by 100, suppose 4.586 multiply by 100. So whenever you multiply by 100, then number same and after that 2 times 0. So 4, 5, 8, 6, after that 2 times 0. Okay. Now we should count decimal place from here. There is 3 decimal place. So in answer we will take 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So it's become 458.600. That's equals to 458.6. Okay. तो अब यहाँ पे भी आपका क्या आया? Same answer. But your decimal place move. How many place it's move? 2 place. Because in 100 we have 2 times 0. So decimal place, decimal move 2 places. 1, 2. It's come here. आपका जो decimal था वो यहाँ से 2 place right side में चला गया. Okay? So it's come between 8 and 6. So डायरेक्टली यू कैन टेल द आंसर व्हेनेवर यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, 100, 1000 में 3 प्लेस मूव करेगा. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 होता सो डेसिमल कम्स हियर एंड इट्स बिकम 4586. ओके, 1000 से जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 3 प्लेस मूव करेगा. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 प्लेस मूव करेगा, 100 में 2 प्लेस और 1000 में 3 प्लेस. ओके, how many zeros we have, that many place move in the right side, not in left, in the right side. Okay, so directly you can tell your answer, only you should move the decimal. So like this you will do multiplication of decimals. Now there is some properties of decimal multiplication. So the property of decimal multiplication is also same like the simple multiplication. जो decimal multiplication की जो property है वो भी सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन की प्रॉपर्टी के जैसे ही है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज देयर, द ऑर्डर ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर्स कैन बी चेंज्ड इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. जो ऑर्डर है जैसे सिंपल नंबर में हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, ऐसे ही हम डेसिमल नंबर्स का भी ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में हम इनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं जैसे सिंपल नंबर में करते हैं. सो द प्रोडक्ट रिमेन द सेम. उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो सेम ही रहेगा, कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा प्रोडक्ट में. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 2.2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3.3, सो दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 7.26. एंड इफ वी डू 3.3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2.2, देन आल्सो इट्स कम 7.26. मींस इफ वी चेंज द ऑर्डर देन योर प्रोडक्ट रिमेन सेम, देयर इज नो चेंज इन द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, देन सेकंड, the product of a decimal number and 1 is the decimal number itself. जब हम किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा, that will be remain same. For example 2.4 multiply by 1, 2.4 multiply by 1, so that's equals to 2.4. Whenever you multiply by 1, so there is no change, क्योंकि any number multiply by 1, the number itself decimal place भी वही रहेगा, 1 place. Okay. Then third property, the product of a decimal number and 0 is 0. Any decimal number multiply by 0, then the product will be 0. Okay. For example 2.6 multiply by 0, that's equals to 0. And 0 multiply by 2.6, that's also 0. Any number, any decimal number multiply by 0, then the product will be 0. Okay, these are the property of decimal multiplication. Now we will start our exercise. Now we start exercise 5.7. Okay, question number 1 is there. Find the product in each of the following. Here you have to find the product. Product means answer of multiplication. So you should solve and find their product. So a part is there, 7.2 multiply by 9. So first of all we write here up and down, 7.2 multiply by 9. Now we should recite the table of 9. 9 2 are 18. So we write here 8 and 1 goes carry. Now 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 1, 64. So we write here 64. We will write complete 64 here because there is no digit. Okay. Now we should count the decimal place in the question. How many decimal place in the question? So we will see that in multiplicand we have decimal, but in multiplier we don't have decimal. Okay. So how many decimal place in multiplicand? There is 1 decimal place. So in the answer also we will take only 1 decimal place. So after 8 we will take here decimal. So our answer is 64.8. That's your answer. Okay. Now it's B and C part also same like that. So you will do yourself. Now it's a D part. D and E are same. So I take here D part. E part you will do yourself. Okay. Now here is 101.86 multiply by 13. So firstly you put up and down. 101.86 multiply by 13. So firstly you multiply by 3. 3 6 are 80. 1 goes carry. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 goes carry. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now 3 zeros are 0. And then 3 ones are 3. Okay. Now we cross ones column. Now 1 6 are 6. 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. 1 zeros are 0. 1 1s are 1. Now what will we do? Now we will do addition. Now we add them. So there is 8 and there is nothing. So we write here 8. 5 plus 6, 11. We write here 1 and 1 goes carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. We write here 4 and 1 goes carry. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now 3 plus 0, 3. And there is 1. Okay. Now what will we do? This is our product. Now we will count the decimal place. How many decimal place in the question? So we will see in the question we have 2 decimal place. So in answer also we will take 2 decimal place. So after 2 digit we will take a decimal. From one side we have to count. Okay. So ones, tens. So there is decimal. Okay. Now it's become 1324.18. Okay, we always count decimal from one side, from right hand side. Okay, you will remember that from right hand side we start our decimal place, counting our decimal place. We should count from right hand side. So 2 decimal place we take, so we will take here 2 decimal place. So your answer 1324.18. That's your product. Okay. Now question number first E part you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 2. Multiply the following by changing the position of the decimal point. Only आपको decimal point की position change करके multiply करना है. Okay? Means आपको पूरा multiply show करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ decimal जो point है उसकी जो position कहाँ पे change होगी वो आपको change करनी सिर्फ. Okay? So as I told you that how we change decimal point position whenever we multiply by 10. So its position change one place in the right hand side. Okay. And when we multiply by 100, so its change decimal point change 2 place in the right hand side. Okay. And when we multiply by 1000, then it's change 3 place in the right hand side. Okay. So now it's A part. Here is given 96.82 multiply by 10. So whenever we multiply by 10, so what happens? Our answer comes same. Whatever number is there, that's same, and only decimal position will be changed. As I told you that only decimal position will change. So we write here 9, 6, 8, 2. Now our decimal position will change. Now decimal is between 6 and 8. So decimal point will move one place in the right hand side. Okay. So we should move here in right side. So it's come between 8 and 2. Okay. So there will come our decimal. Only one place will move in right hand side. Now we multiply by 100. The same number is there. 96.82. Multiply by 100. So whenever we multiply by 100, so our decimal point will move 2 place in the right hand side. So the same answer will come 9682. Now we change the position of decimal. Here is decimal between 6 and 8. So it's moved 2 place in the right side. Decimal will move 2 place in the right side. So 1, 2. So decimal will come here. Means after 2. So here we will put decimal. So in the last there is no need to put decimal. We can leave it. अब लास्ट में जो हमारा डेसिमल आ रहा है यहाँ पे तो हमें इसको लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. We can leave it. We can put here and we can leave it. Okay, the meaning is same. So our answer is 9682. Okay. Now it's the next part 96.82. Same number. Okay. सारों में आपके पास क्या है? A part में सारों में same numbers हैं. Only firstly multiply by 10 the same number, multiply by 100 and the same number multiply by 1000. So when we multiply by 1000, so decimal point will move 3 places in the right side. But we will see there is only 2 places. So how we will move 3 places? So as we know, when we make like decimals, then we put here 0. So we can put here 0. We can move take here 0. यहाँ पे 0 हम लगा सकते हैं. Place को increase, decimal place को increase करने के लिए we can use here zeros. Now there is 3 decimal place. So now we can move our decimal point. जो decimal point है वो हमारा move करेगा. So we write the number 9, 6, 8, 2, 0. Now our decimal point will move from here and it will come in the last 3 place it will move. So our answer will come 96,820. Here we will put decimal. So as I told you that if there is decimal, so there is no value of this decimal, we can leave it. Because after that there is no digit. जब आपके पास decimal के बाद कोई digit नहीं होती, so we can leave this decimal. Okay बेटा? So that's your answer. So like this you should move decimal point. ऐसे आपको directly decimal point को move करके answer find करना है. आपको पूरा multiply show नहीं करना, short way से आपको direct answer find करना है. Okay? Now it's the B part. Here is 7.845 multiply by 10. Okay? 10 means our decimal point will move one place in the right side. Okay? Right side में हम one place उधर लेके जाएंगे right side में. So it's become, firstly we write numbers in 7, 8, 4, 5. Now it will move one place in the right side. So it's between 7 and 8. Now it will be between 8 and 4. So here we will put it our decimal. So it's become 78.45. Next, the same number multiply by 100. So again we write the number same 7, 8, 4, 5. Okay. Now we change the position of decimal. Okay, decimal is between 7 and 8. Now it will move 2 place in the right side. Okay, so we'll take 2 place, 1, 2, here it will come between 4 and 5. So here we will put it decimal. So it becomes 784.5. That's your answer. Next is the same number multiply by 1000. So firstly we write the same number 7, 8, 4, 5. Now as we know when we multiply by 1000, so it will move 3 place in the right hand side. So it will move 3 place. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal will move from here and it will come in the last. Okay. So here we will put it decimal, the last. But as I told you that if after decimal we have no digit, so we can leave this that decimal. हमें ये लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If there is no digit after decimal, so we can leave. So your answer becomes 7,845. That's your answer. Okay, beta. So like this you will do multiply by 10, 100 and 1000. So A and B part I have done here. C part you will do yourself. Question number 2, C part you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Multiply the following. Here is also multiplication. Okay. Here is what's changed between question 1 and 3. There is decimal in multiplicand also and in multiplier also. In question 1 you have only in multiplicand decimal. In multiplier there is no decimal. But in question 3 you have decimal in both, in multiplicand and in multiplier. Okay. So this multiplication is also like the simple multiplication. Only you should count the decimal place and that you will take in the answer. Okay. So let me start. 2.1 multiply by 3.3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now what will we do? We cross ones column. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now what will we do? Now we will do addition. So there will be 3. Now 6 plus 3, 9 and there is 6. Now what will we do? We have done multiplication. Now we should count the decimal place. Okay. So we will see in multiplicand there is 1 decimal place and in multiplier also 1. So 1 plus 1 total 2. So we will count here 2 decimal place. 1, 2. From right hand side we should count the decimal place. So 1, 2. So between 6 and 9 we will put a decimal. So your answer is 6.93. Okay. So like this you will do question number 3. Now it's a B part. In B part we have 4.03 multiplied by 0.9. Okay. So now we multiply by 9. 9 3 are 27. So we write here 7. 2 goes carry. Now 9 0 are 0. 0 plus 2 2. 9 4s are 36. So we write complete 36 here because after that there is no digit. So we write here 36. Now what will we do? Now we multiply by 0 and any number multiplied by 0 that's equals to 0. So whenever you have before decimal there is zeros, so no need to multiply that, you can leave it. Okay, before decimal if there is zeros you can leave that. Okay, now what will we do? We should count the decimal place. Okay, so in multiplicand 2, in multiplier 1, 2 plus 1 3, total decimal place are 3. So after 3 digit we will take decimal. So we count from right hand side 1, 2, 3. So here we will put a decimal. So your answer is 3.627. 3.627, that's your answer. Okay. Now it's a C part. In C part you have 0.59 multiplied by 0.4. Okay. Now we should multiply by 4. 4 9s are 36. 3 goes carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 23. We write here 3. 2 goes carry. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 2. Okay. So now there is before decimal there is also 0, and when we multiply by 0 then any number multiplied by 0 then 0. So no effect on the question. So we can leave multiply by 0. Here we can put our answer. Now we should count the decimal place. There is 2 and there is 1. 2 plus 1 total are 3 decimal place. So we count from right side 1, 2, 3. Here we will put a decimal. Before decimal there is no digit, so we can make here 0. Okay. So our answer is 0.236. We can speak that 0.236. अगर हम 0 नहीं भी लगाते हैं, that also correct. It is 0.236. And if you are taking here 0, that is also correct. So that's your answer. So like this you will do the rest part also. A, B, C I have done here. D and E you will do yourself. Okay. Now question number 4. Fill in the multipliers in each of the following. Here you have to find the multiplier. Okay. Multipliers आपको find करना है. Multiplicand and product are given to you, and you should find the multiplier by checking the position of decimal. Okay. So now A part 16.8 multiply by blank and the answer is 168. Means decimal बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया आपका. Okay. There is one decimal place and decimal move one place in the right side. When decimal move one place in the right side, when we multiply by 10. Whenever we multiply by 10, then decimal point move one place in the right side. Okay. So that means we will put in multiplier 10. Okay. That's why here decimal finish, because decimal come here and one place in the right side, that means we multiply by 10. Okay. Now it's B part. 217.96 and in answer we have 2179.6. What happened? Your decimal move one place in the right side, and when it's move one place in the right side, that means we multiply by 10. So we fill here 10. Whenever your decimal point move one place in the right side, that means multiply by 10. 2 place in right side, multiply by 100. 3 place in right side, multiply by 1000. Okay. So now we will see C part 38.792. And in answer we have 3879.2. Okay. So we will see how many places it's moved. Decimal here is between 9 and 2 and here is between 8 and 7. So it's moved 2 places in the right side. In the answer it moved 2 places in the right side. That means 2 place in the right side means multiply by 100. So we fill here 100. Okay. So like this we will do. Now it's a D part. In D part we check 15.6901 and answer is 15,690.1. So we check there is between 0 and 1 and there is between 5 and 6. How many places it's move? It's go here. So it's move 1, 2, 3 place. How many places it's move in right side? 3 place. So that means we will multiply by 1000. Then it's move 3 place in the right side. आपको सिर्फ डेसिमल की पोजीशन चेक करनी है. हाउ मेनी प्लेस डेसिमल मूव इन द राइट साइड. कि डेसिमल जो आपका है वो राइट साइड में कितने प्लेस मूव कर रहा है, कितने प्लेस राइट साइड में गया है, वो आपको चेक करना है. एंड देन यू हैव टू फिल. सो हियर इज ई पार्ट 2.808. ओके एंड आंसर इज 2808. मीन्स यहाँ पे आप कुछ नहीं है, जीरो भी नहीं है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे लास्ट में डेसिमल था आपके पास और लास्ट डेसिमल वी आर नॉट यूजिंग. सो इट्स मूव 3 प्लेस हियर. सो 3 प्लेस हियर दैट मीन्स वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. सो व्हाट वी फिल हियर 1000. ओके. So like this your question number 4 is complete. So you take care whenever your decimal point move 1 place in right side that means multiply by 10. 2 place in right side then multiply by 100 and 3 place in right side that means multiply by 1000. Okay. So like this multiplication of 10, 100 and 1000. So your question 4 is complete. Now we will do question number 5. Okay. Now question number 5. Solve the following. A part. If Yash drives his car at an average speed of 60.2 miles per hour, means 1 hour में 60.2 miles कवर करता है यस. ओके अपनी कार को इस स्पीड में एवरेज स्पीड में चलाता है वो और 1 hour में 60.2 miles कवर करता है. So what distance will Yash drive his car in 1.5 hours? अगर वो अपनी कार 1.5 hours ड्राइव कर रहा है तो वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा? How much distance he will cover? So first of all, an average speed of car. What is the average speed of car? 60.2 miles per hour. This is the average speed of car. Then they is asking that how much distance will cover by Yash. So Yash will cover distance in 1.5 hours. Now in 1 hour he covers 60.2 miles. So in 1.5 hours we should multiply by 1.5. Okay, so we should multiply here 60.2 multiply by 1.5. Okay, so now we multiply 5 2 jar 10, 1 goes carry. 5 0 jar 0, 0 plus 1 1. 5 6 are 30. Now we cross ones column. 1 2 jar 2, 1 0 jar 0, 1 6 are 6. Now we do addition. 0, 2 plus 1 3, there is 0 and there is 9. Now we should count the decimal place in the question. Okay, how many decimal place in the question? 1 2. So in answer also will take 2 decimal place. So 1 2 there will come decimal. So it's 90.30 miles. Okay, so write here 90.30 miles. And that we can say that 90.3 miles because in the last there is no value of this 0. So we can say 90.3 miles. Okay, so how much distance covered by Yash? So 90.3 miles. So we can write here. So Yash will drive. There is given drive. So Yash will drive 90.3 miles. We can leave this 0. Okay, miles in 1.5 hours. Okay. like this we have to do solution. This is your answer. This line you can write downside also, because word is finished, so I write it there. Okay, but you can write downside also. Okay, so now it's a B part. Question 5, B part. Aditya bought 3.4 kilograms of coffee that cost rupees 6.95 per kilogram. Means 1 kilogram coffee cost is rupees 6.95, and Aditya bought 3.4 kilogram. Okay, how much? 3.4 kilogram. So how much money did she spend on coffee? तो उसने कॉफी पे कितने मनी, उसने कितने रुपए स्पेंड किए on the coffee? So let me start our solution. First of all, cost of 1 kilogram coffee, that's equals to rupees 6.95. That is the cost of 1 kilogram coffee. Now Aditya bought 3.4 kilogram. So cost of 3.4 kilogram coffee. For that we will do multiply by 3.4. So now we do multiplication. 6.95 multiply by 3.4. Now 4 5s are 20, 2 goes carry, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 38, 3 goes carry. Now 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 3 27. Okay, now we cross one's column. 3 5s are 15, 1 goes carry, 3 9s are 27, 27 plus 1 28, 2 goes carry, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20. Now we do addition. So there is 0. Now 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, and there is 2. Now we should count the decimal place in the question. So there is how many decimal place? 1, 2, 3. So in answer also we will take 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So here we will put a decimal. So it's become 23.630. Okay, that's equals to 23.63. So we can write here rupees 23.63. Okay. So how much Aditya spent? Aditya spent rupees 23.63. Okay. So we write here. So they are saying that how much money did she spend on coffee? So we write here. So now we don't write here Aditya name. So we write here Aditya name. So Aditya spent, okay, rupees 23.63 on, there we write, because did plus first form change into second form, so we write here spent, क्योंकि past form की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. Okay, so Aditya spent rupees 23.63 on coffee. Okay, so this is your answer. So like this you will complete your exercise. Okay, your exercise 5.7 is complete. Thank you.